Can you debug an app with breakpoints and the whole nine in production? So here's our app and it's running in Azure and it looks like it's running just fine, but it actually isn't. So if we delete one of these items and then refresh the page, even though it looks like it went away, it didn't. We're going to right click the application and just say start remote debugging. So what we can do here is we can drop a breakpoint and we can inspect all of these things. The ID is undefined, which is probably part of the problem here. It's important to note that when you add a breakpoint like this in production, no one else can access the site. So for instance, if we copy this and we open a new tab and we try to access it, it will just sit there and spin. And this is why you want to be careful when you debug in production. It's not something you want to do unless you absolutely have to. Once we disconnect the debugger here, Visual Studio Code will tell us, do you want to disable debug mode on the application because it can slow it down? So that's how you can debug your apps in production if your hosting provider supports it.